एक मिनट करने
इवेंट बारिश हो रही है क्या? नहीं बड़ा ग्रुप है। आगे जाओ यहाँ तक चलो तुम लोग सोचेंगे इसीलिए मेरे नहीं
So, you know, you are talking about one boy, okay? Now you are talking to the girls, and you are saying, you know, you see one boy is come now, and he never care about you. Girl is sitting. You are sitting here again, getting here. Yeah.
अरे ये फुल लाइट मार रहा है बोलो ना भाई वो लाइट बंद रखो
क्या बात है
ये अगर कोई आप में से किसी ने कैप्चर किया ना
डेजी थोड़ा आगे आइए अमिता जी अरे सर तुझे सर
कोई बात नहीं इधर पूछो
दिख रहे नहीं
आसिफ क्या कुछ पूछना वाला
मैं देख रहा हूँ
सर बहुत पीछे गए
अरे पीछे अच्छा है
हीरो है सर सर अरे रुकना देखिए मैम थोड़ा आगे आइए ना हाँ यस 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 यस
कैमरा आ रहा है मैं कैमरा इधर हट रहा है
सर 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 सर
वही अपना कैमरा में
यस यस यस
साउंड रिकॉर्डेड है क्या?
हाँ
क्या आवाज आ रही है?
वो उसी है
बहुत सालों के बाद
मार रहा है वो देखो
क्या बात है?
ओके
थैंक यू
थैंक यू
And we have Anushri Shah, our next producer, Anushri Shah, stunner. And we have Gujarath Jaikumar as a producer of Mystery of Tattoo. बात करें हमारे सितारों की, आमची मुंबई है, बात करें हमारे स्टार्स की, वन ऑफ माय मोस्ट फेवरेट स्टार की यहाँ पे बात करूँ, जिनका चेहरा जो है आप हम सब यहाँ देखने वाले हैं, none other than the super, the beautiful, the gorgeous. We are going to see none other than Myra Sareen. Please welcome, and we also have very dashing and talented Rohit Verma. Please welcome your gorgeous. हम कहाँ हैं? हमारी डेजी शाह से भी जो है बहुत ही जल्द मुलाकात करने वाले हैं, and साथ ही साथ we are going to meet, hopefully, जहाँ तक मुझे इन्फॉर्मेशन मिली, अमीषा पटेल and मनोज जोशी सर भी जो है हमें ज्वाइन करने वाले हैं। तो सबसे पहले जानते हैं, and how can we forget अर्जुन रामपाल से भी जो है मुलाकात होने वाली है on the television live, क्योंकि वर्चुअल जमाना हो चुका है, राइट? और सबसे पहले हम जानना चाहेंगे इनके रोल के बारे में। So to start with, Rohit, would you like to start?
Sure.
So थोड़ा सा आपके रोल के बारे में, किरदार के बारे में, मूवी के बारे में, जो आप हमारी मीडिया से शेयर करना चाहेंगे।
Sure. So I'm playing the role of Vikarn Abhimanyu. He is the top barrister in UK, and he's also opposite of Daisy. This character is very calm, very subtle, and he's so sharp that pura movie is around him and his character and his thinking. जब आप मूवी देखेंगे आपको बहुत मज़ा आएगा इस कैरेक्टर के साथ इसकी जर्नी पे जाने के लिए. So that is the only thing I can say right now about my character. Rest आप सबको मूवी देखनी पड़ेगी.
Rohit, we are waiting to see that. It was जोरदार तालियां होने पर लगी है. It's a good start. You know what, Myra? I have always seen you as a wonderful performing dance. या आपके salsa moves हो, चाहे आपके gym की बात हो या fitness की level हो. You are above everything. Myra, this is the time now we are going to see you as an actor in the movie, and we are super excited. I'm बहुत excited.
Hi everyone, myself Myra Sareen, and I'm meeting you all for the first time, and I hope that I'm going to see you regularly now. So hi Mumbai media. Okay, so let's talk about my character. I'm playing a very cute, bubbly cop. So I hope you're going to be excited. Yeah, and I am very, very happy to be part of this project because, you know, if I have to talk about my team, I have got the best team. My director, she's very nice, and, you know, it's really nice to have someone, you know, when you're getting a launch in a film. So I'm really happy about everything, and I'm just hoping to have this film on very good success. Thank you.
Definitely, Myra, आप हैं तो हम, मैं तो already इंतजार कर रही हूँ launch date का, तब हम देखने वाले हैं, and I'm sure we everyone, and साथ ही साथ जो we have our chief guest जिनका जो है हम दिल से स्वागत करना चाहेंगे. Please everyone, help me and in white, let's welcome a well-known and a very famous writer and director. I'm talking about none other than Shri Anees Bazmi ji. उनके स्वागत के लिए सर बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है आपको आज यहाँ पर मिलके, and इनके स्वागत के लिए gorgeous, I would request our producer Shrimati, the gorgeous Miss Kashish Khan. Yes, yes. अब कामयाबी की यहाँ पे बात है, आप कुछ दो शब्दों से आशीर्वाद देना चाहेंगे?
दोस्तों, ये जो फिल्म है मिस्टर काकू, ये इससे जुड़े हुए बहुत सारे लोग मेरे दोस्त हैं और उन्हीं की वजह से मैं आज यहाँ मौजूद हूँ. ये स्टोरी मुझे जो सुनाई गई मुझे स्टोरी बहुत अच्छी लगी और मेरी सारी बेस्ट विशेष इन लोगों के साथ है, एंड यंग एंड फ्रेश सारे टैलेंट है, एंड आई एम श्योर कि दे विल मेक अ ब्यूटीफुल फिल्म एंड ऑल गुड विशेस आर विद देम. थैंक यू.
हेलो सर, आपका कब से इंतजार कर रहे थे, फाइनली इसमें रोशनी जो है हमारे प्रोग्राम में.
We can share. Yeah, we can share.
So here we have everyone. मतलब चेहरा ही सब बोलने का है. without introducing a gorgeous Daisy Shai. Zora taaliyan ho jaye. Come on everyone. And here we have Manoj sir. Manoj sir, Mr. Manoj Joshi. आपके आते ही मतलब आपने भले ही ये पहना हुआ है, हाँ लेकिन रोशनी जो है आपके आने से असली रोशनी अपने आप ही आ गई. A very warm welcome sir. Very warm welcome. So to start with the gorgeous lady, क्योंकि हम बात कर रहे हैं यहाँ पे अपने रोल के बारे में, अपने किरदार के बारे में, अपनी मूवी के बारे में. So if there is anything that you would like to share with our media, take a deep breath and here we go.
Since we are talking about the characters, my character is so complex that I really don't know what to speak about it. Kala is made sure that this character has so many shades that she herself is confused which shade to play. But as we all know that it's a suspense thriller film, so there's not much that I can reveal. But I just want to say that Kala has given me one of the most dreamiest roles that I can ever think of, because there are so many things that, like, this film has particularly, offered me so many things to portray when it comes to acting, and when it comes to describing the role, I think she's the right person. No, come on.
Come on.
Go.
Sure, yes, please. Okay.
Thank you so much, Daisy. It's always wonderful to hear from you, and you have a very sweet voice. I must say that, Daisy. सर अब मनोज सर हमारे बीच हैं. मनोज सर मैं आपसे भी अनुरोध करूंगी कि आपकी भी आवाज़ जो है जो आप
ये टैटू ऐसा है जो ये कोरोना पीरियड में लग रहा है, और ये टैटू बहुत निखर कर आएगा, इसमें कोई शंका को स्थान नहीं है. थैंक यू कलाई. और लंदन से हमारे साथ में सतत संपर्क में थी कि कैसा रोल है. मेरा रोल एक डिफरेंट किस्म का रोल उन्होंने मुझे दिया है, और ये न्यूरो क्रिमिनोलॉजिस्ट है, और वो उसका रोल क्या है, उसकी अहमियत क्या है, ये तो फिल्म देखने के बाद सारा आपको पता चल जाएगा. बट बहुत ही सुंदर रोल मुझे दिया है उन्होंने करने के लिए. इसका लुक कैसा होगा, ये क्या होगा, इसका डिस्कशन पहले से ही मैंने बहुत सारे रोल किए हैं, बहुत सारे डायरेक्टरों के साथ काम किया है, लेकिन जो जोश, जो उत्साह, जो एनर्जी कलाई के पास है, वो आज हमने पहला दिन था हमारा. आज मुहूर्त में आप सब लोग आए हैं, और जो देखा सिर्फ वर्चुअली अनुभव किया था, वर्चुअली आज प्रत्यक्ष रूप में देखा, बहुत अच्छा लगा. एंड हमारे टैटू के लिए आपकी भी शुभकामनाएं चाहिए. और इतनी सुंदर स्टारकास्ट है. डेजी है, अमीशा पटेल है, डेजी शाह है, और मायरा है, और हमारा यंग नौजवान ज़बरदस्त, हाँ आज शर्मा क्यों है यार, और अर्जुन रामपाल भी हैं. तो आई एम वेरी हैप्पी ये टीम के साथ जुड़ने के लिए, और एक नई शुरुआत ये कोरोना काल के बाद. तो हम आपके सबके हमें आशीर्वाद भी चाहिए, और दर्शकों का प्यार भी चाहिए. सबको अच्छी लगेगी, डिफरेंट किस्म की फिल्म है. थैंक यू वेरी मच फॉर कास्टिंग दिस. थैंक्स अ लॉट.
It's a very big day. Thank you so much for everyone. And with everyone's God's blessing and my parents' blessings, I'm starting this one. And today, I'm one of the director only. Like, my name is Kalayani Satapan, and one more director is called Ganesh Mahadevan. He couldn't make it due to the pandemic reason. He wasn't there, and it's just like 1 week schedule is happening here because they cannot travel over there. So that's why we are shifting the schedule to the UK. In the UK, 1 month, the rest of all the full film will go there. So he's not here, and I'm missing you so much actually, because I always used to call him as a producer Garu. He said one day, like, I will make you as a director, and he has done it. Thank you so much, producer Garu. I miss you so much here. And then I want to thank Bhafna ji. I don't know, but no one is he is the behind the man, like, for everything, all the things. If you go and tell 10 problems to him, he will come up with 11 solutions. I never ever seen a guy like this, such an amazing mentor, for everyone. So I want to thank him as well, and all the artists here. Amazing artists. I never ever seen. Actually, I'm so blessed to got this much of a very intelligent and very creative and very humble and so nice, because I was like wondering, I don't know like whether I can manage it here or not, but I'm doing very well because of everyone is cooperating very well. If I ask, Manoj is how senior he is. If I ask one more or cut, and he never ever tell anything, whatever, very happily, and he's very pleasant and very in the mood. It's because of the experience and all. He's so good, and this is the way I'm talking. Like I'm usually like I talk very fast. I hope you can like get it the thing, And the Rohit, yeah, we are watching Rohit. If you want to talk about Rohit. In the midtime, 3 o'clock, if you wake him, Rohit, scene number 43, tell the third dialogue. Then he say, Kun, like that kind of things, that kind of, he memorized the full thing, yeah. So he's very ready. Whenever we are going to shoot, he's ready. And actually, like she's playing as an art therapist. Our heroine is playing as an art therapist. Art therapist is such a new thing that, therapy is through the art. The character-wise, not only like that, she herself is an artist. After we went to the home, like they come to know, like, oh my God, ma'am, all the ladies said, the Daisy's all painting so amazing, so you don't have to worry about that. How she can hold the paint brush and everything, she's very thoroughly, she have done it. So like, that's so nice.
They don't know that I paint.
Oh, you said that's her. Oh my God, nothing, then you made me, see? She didn't do that one, Right, so I'm so happy. And Kashiti also is playing one of the roles. Oh, that is so secret. Oh, sorry. Oh my God. Actually, for every casting, we have found it very quickly. But doing a part for her, it's very tough, because she's doing amazingly. You will see it actually. Like competing her, it's very, very tough. And we have taken 4 to 5 people, filter, and finally we have found one. And Myra character. So Myra's a cheeky bubbly, like how she is now. She is a model. She's an amazing model. Whenever the Zoom call, we all meet. She's only like this now, like this. Oh, she's like a stunning girl. She always is. So like that. And today we have started a scene with Manoji. Because of the confidence, we can finish it very quickly, and we have done it. Thank you so much, Manoji. Then, and I think I have covered everything. Or did I miss anyone? So thank you so much, everyone. Thank you so much. And Ganeshji, I think you are seeing it, right? I'm here. Can you see me? I'm seeing you. Ganeshji, I miss you so much. Thank you so much. He's also one of the director. So I can, see. He looks very young, but like I don't know like why you didn't put the dye and all then. Then at the time of shooting the next success, right? And we are missing Arjun here. I want to talk about him then. Like he's such a senior artist here. Whenever I got his number, I know like whenever we are messaging him, we are getting very late reply. That's very usual, and we want to get into mind. But whenever I do the message, he will quickly respond like that. Such an amazing person. I cannot. So that's why I'm actually I'm running my own animation and production company in UK, and I'm a business person. So of course, like I'm from the creative side as well then. So time kills sales. So we never ever delay for anything. He did that one. So thank you so much, Arjunji. We also missing you here then. And finally, I want to talk about Amisha ji and finish it off then. Amisha ji, I think like she's not here. Like she's also, like I get the script and she's coming up with prepared everything and coming up with the typo. Correct, this typo has happened. Oh my God, he's gone through everything. So like that kind of the preparation she also have done it. Hopefully I have covered everyone. Thank you so much for